Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually play media files on your master combo decoder. So if you have some either video or audio file on your USB drive and you want to play it on your master combo decoder, all you got to do is to insert in the drive onto the master combo decoder USB port, any of the USB ports, and you press on the menu button on your remote. So here on the menu page you look for media center. Okay, you press OK on it, and we have other options here: video, music, pictures, which actually will sort out. If you click on the video, it will sort out the video that is on your drive. The same will apply to the music, pictures, and other menu right here. So here you come to the file, press OK. Alright, so nothing shows, which actually means that if you insert a drive that is not working, this how it's gonna appear. So make sure that your drive is working. Alright, so I have now inserting a drive. It's gonna change right there. Alright, so after knowing that the drive have changed right there, or it's displaying, just come straight onto the drive and then you search for whatever you wanna actually enjoy on it. So press OK on it and then start enjoying. Alright, so that's it. If you find the video helpful and you are new here, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.